Good Friday morning, everybody. We are on our way to AutoZone. We're gonna go see about a part for the truck and get an extractor. Probably won't do nothing with it today because we got a raging storm coming in. So my goal is to get there and get back. I might stop at Sonic and get a sweet tea. Might. It's gonna suck if AutoZone said they have to order the part. And I gotta clean the windshield wiper off. What fun. The check engine light's back on. Sure is. The check dummy light is what I call it. I already kind of know what the light's on for. It should reset itself as soon as I replace that part, unless if it's the EVAP. Yeah, unless if it's the EVAP. Anyway, let's get to AutoZone. Okay, so we'll be coming back about lunchtime to pick the part up. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to drill a screw stud out. Walking on water, almost couldn't stop. I think I'm gonna stop to get a sweet tea. If I can get in on this side over here. Alrighty guys, we'll be back. I almost hit their deal again. I literally did. We'll be back. Well, we're heading back to AutoZone, and yes, this wind is blowing, I think, right at 30 miles an hour. I think. That's what I've seen. I figured might as well come and get it before school let out. Or, you know, something like that. Probably going to take trash in the morning. More than likely going to take trash in the morning. That wind is knocked over a pole, just about. Electric company has a truck sitting over here holding a pole up. Anyway, we're gonna go to AutoZone and get this taken care of, and then we're gonna just go back home since we got nothing else to do. Okay, now we're just gonna go to Ace Hardware. Oh, I need to give him my 4-ways. I gave him my 4-ways because he let me out. gonna go to Ace Hardware and see if they got a screw that could possibly help me out. That can possibly help me out with something. If not, probably gotta go to Lowe's. And I might go to Lowe's this afternoon, may go tomorrow. If I go tomorrow, you'll know. 'Cause I'm not redoing a video Sunday. So I got things I gotta do Sunday for 12 hours. I don't know, I might, if I do upload a video Sunday if I do make a video Sunday, I should say, it probably won't be a big video. It'll probably be like a small video. Just a small one. I gotta set up some stuff for Twitch and got something going on in my game server. I got something going on tonight in the game server, but I'm not going to join it. I'm not going to join it. It's a 24-hour thing that goes on, and I don't feel like sitting on my butt for 24 hours. But I'm actually impressed because there's like over 1,000 people who's actually going to be doing that tonight. I would say come and hop over to Twitch and give me a follow and stay till the end of the stream, and then I will raid somebody who's doing it. But unfortunately I gotta work on my Twitch. And I'm doing little by little. I mean, Hunter has offered to help me out a little bit, so I may let him help me out a little bit, get stuff set up. The only problem is I don't really know if this new laptop can pull my OBS that good. The reason why we're cutting through here is because it's easy on me and this truck to actually depart from this side, and I could see a lot better and react to things a lot better. Would say I could go down there, but my problem is going down there I'll have to come back this way, and I don't really want to do all that. Wonder if they'll care if I cut out in front of them. You know what? You know what? Nope. Dang it. Where'd that truck come from? Well, look at me. You popped out in the middle of nowhere, Cooper. You know what? If this car could hurry up, I can actually cross over. We got it. We got it. We got it. I was actually going to do what I just said, but we got it. Alright, so we're going to hop over here to Ace Hardware, which is in a very bad location, but it's what it is. It is what it is. Alrighty, we'll be right back. Well, got the part. I think I'm going to try to get this screw, drill this screw out off camera, just because I don't think that it would be too entertaining for y'all to see that. And on top of that, I have no way of holding the camera while I'm trying to drill the screw out. Anyway, don't forget to check out Discord. It is completely free to create a Discord account. Come and hang out. Positive community, positive vibes, where we all can sit around, chat to each other, do updates, and all that cool stuff. Don't forget, also in my link tree, I got Snapchat and my Insta. You can come and follow me there. Yeah, that's about it. We will see y'all tomorrow morning. Later.